Hi everyone, I'm going to go over how to complete Monday's lesson for the week of January 25th. If you need help, please contact me via email or Google Hangout chat or sign up for office hours by clicking here. This is the lesson agenda. You will complete an Edpuzzle video. The second step will be to answer some questions and create responses on our Padlet. And the step 3 is optional. It's an extension. You will be reading an article and highlighting the stuff that you read. Here's your weekly objective. You will be able to synthesize evidence to make a claim about how biotic and abiotic factors interact in an ecosystem. Here you will be able to find key points from the last class. This is your first lesson, so you do not have any information here just yet. For step 1, please complete the Edpuzzle. In order to access the Edpuzzle, you will click on this link, or you can also click on the image and open the Edpuzzle video. Please make sure that you sign in to Edpuzzle with your LPS email in order to access the video. The second step will be to complete the Padlet. In order to access the Padlet, click on Padlet, open this link, and then it should take you to our class Padlet. Please make sure that you log in into the Padlet with your LPS email so it gives me the information that I need to grade the Padlet responses. I need to see your name whenever you post something here on the Padlet. In order to post something, you will click here on the plus sign, start typing up, click enter, and then it will save your response. You will also need to hit like or the heart option for another response of your classmates and also comment on another response. You can find those directions here in numbers 2, 3, and 4. Lastly, it is the optional extension. Please make sure to read the article below. Highlight at least 3 pieces of evidence. 3 pieces of important information. Underline 2 words that you don't know, and then bold at least 1 thing that confuses you. Once you finish reading, highlighting, underlining, and bolding this article, you will complete the lesson. Remember that this last section is optional, but if you would like to receive 100% on this assignment, you need to do the extension. If not, you will receive a 90%. Lastly, make sure that you are checking your work, the Edpuzzle, the Padlet, and if you're completing the optional extension article, and let me know how long this lesson took you. And lastly, don't forget to click Turn In. Thank you.